fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
So for some time now, hi guys, I know I've not been talking in this video. It took me a while to put this up, and it's not my first, my second. If you guys have watched that video, this is supposed to be in the bathroom, but I need it in the living room, just so that I can organize our medicines in. If you watched our last vlog, you know that I got this from IKEA. It costs €11 IKEA, so it's kind of like a bathroom shelf. The first one that I got is in the bathroom, which has our stuff in it, but this one I want to keep it here for our medicine, because we've been keeping our medicines here. That was because my husband got hurt, and then there were a lot of medicines that we were supposed to use, cotton and stuff. So today I'm going to separate them into Michaela, my husband, and mine, and then the ones that everybody can use. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 shelves. So that's, I wanted to get a basket, but when I put the basket, it was not looking good. So I'm just going to assemble them in right here. So I just wanted to explain that, because if I'm supposed to type it or anything, it's going to do somehow. But I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. So let's go ahead. I'm going to sort out the medicines that are done already, separate the plastic from this, and then go out and throw it away, which I'll do that. My husband is going to do that in the evening.